See, we offer the general PGDM that has been our flagship program since last 33, 34 years. Then we also have a PGDM program in marketing, then a PGDM program in banking and financial services. We have a PGDM program in HR. So there are 4 programs, PGDM programs, and we also have other executive programs as well. You asked me about USP. USP means unique selling proposition. So basically it has to be only one, right? Unique. But I would like to mention our USP along 2 dimensions. One is excellence, striving for excellence, and second thing is practice orientation. So when we say striving for excellence, our belief is that you need to get everything right the first time. So a lot of planning goes into it. A lot of thinking goes into whatever we do so that the execution is perfect. Of course, yes, there is merit in learning through trial and error. But if it is possible for you to sit, plan, and design it in such a manner that you get everything right the first time, we go after that. So that has been one of the hallmarks of this institute. Second thing I mentioned about practice orientation in our programs. Now, how do we bring about this? Our program is mainly delivered through what we call as experiential learning. So our students do more than 300 cases in 2 years across all programs. So we do Harvard cases, we do Indian cases, we do Darden cases, and there are several cases written by our own faculty members that we use. And there are several cases our faculty and students have written jointly. You know, the students do these internships. And if we find that that internship project has a good potential to be converted into a business case, the faculty, student, and the industry mentor work together and develop it as a case. Basically, these cases put the students in a real life situation and actually require the students to make decisions as managers. One of the very popular experiential methods. We also use a lot of simulations. There are courses built around simulations, such as we have a course in marketing called as a marketing strategy. This entire course is taught through a simulation. I do a course on business to business marketing where I use a simulation. In first year, we have a pricing simulation. In HR, we have a lot of simulations. So we also use simulations as part of our experiential learning. Then students have these internship projects, 2 months, minimum 8 weeks in their program. They go to the industry, take up live projects and work on that. Now, this is where I was mentioning, the projects are also converted into cases sometimes. You may be also aware that we have the largest finance lab in India with 16 Bloomberg terminals and Reuters terminals. So we have courses built around that. We have a course where students actually get involved in investments. It is called a student managed investment course. They are given real money and they invest in stock market. This is available to finance students and students of banking and financial services. Then we also have inter projects for students. And last year we introduced an industry immersion program for PGDM where all the students are taken to Dubai and they visit many business houses there and learn about how business is done, how business is carried out. So we emphasize a lot on practice. We also have a very good industry connect. So each of these programs have advisory boards where we have industry people. So they give inputs in terms of curriculum design itself. We would like to curriculum to be as close as possible to the world of practice. We also have industry people coming and doing lectures and taking courses at TAPMI. So we have a very strong industry connect. The third one where we talk about this practice orientation is we have something called as continuous evaluation. So students get evaluated on these projects, on these live projects and other things they do. So this basically for USP, and the highlights like I mentioned are experiential learning, industry connect and continuous evaluation.